Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the Barclays app review to see if it worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about the Barclays app. The Barclays app is a strong mobile banking tool that gives you full control over your money and cards. You can freeze or unfreeze your card, change the withdrawal limit, build your PIN, and track spending with built-in budgeting features. Security is also solid with fingerprint and facial login, making everyday banking quick and safe without needing to visit a branch. On the downside, the app isn't perfect. User reports occasional outage, glitches, frustrating verification steps that can lock them out. It also has a tendency to push extra products and hats, which can clutter the experience. So in my conclusion, the Barclays app is still worth using if only you are ready for the occasional hiccup, and the app can also be convenience in controlling your other day-to-day experience and expenses. And that's it.